so sweet, talking till we asleep, asleep. I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings.
What's poppin', little babies? Today I'm just going to be doing a DIY box braid tutorial. It was my first time, so hang in there with me. Catch you on the flip. So first things first, I'm gonna get the hair out.
My knees, every night I fall deep, but in love. Yeah, wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute.
It just feeling real thick, like Shorty got that thick.
She got that thick hair.
I should catch up on my eating, yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face.
All in one. Make my 3 sections. Okay. Then start the braid. So I'm noticing that me doing it loose and putting product in my hair is making it already like, just like, you can tell. So I am gonna start making the rubber bands tighter. I don't think I'm gonna do it in the back of my head, but definitely when I get to my sides and top. Get to the top. We finna make them babies tighter. Just gonna be doing the same thing. So as you can see, I'm taking the parting tiny bit more serious because it's what I'm gonna see. I'm not gonna see the back. Wow, the first actual box. Round of applause. Thank you, what can I say? Okay, this one goes over top, just like this, like, okay. Then you're gonna grab all of it that you put on. Grab your actual hair, and then you just want to make sure that it's on there tight. Like that, behind the braid. And then you can take your middle finger, grab another piece, separate it. Yeah, so I'll be back, baby girl. Okay, we're gonna deal with these ends. Be right back. I'm gonna go get the water. 1, 2.
You go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or 2. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's with you all up in my face.
Hey. I'm feeling new. Oh, let me do my edges. I keep forgetting about them, baby.
My knees, every night I fall deep, but alive.
Okay, guys, so it's finally the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciated it. And for my first YouTube video. Bye, little babies.
You go before I